Good day everyone. Our plastic, a call to action. Plastics, one of the humanity's greatest innovations, have shaped our world in ways we never imagined. They have revolutionized industries, made life more convenient, and even saved lives in medicine. But alongside their benefits, they have left us facing one of the greatest environmental challenges of our time. Every day we see the consequences of plastic waste, polluted ocean, overflowing landfills, and wildlife struggling to survive. It is easy to feel overwhelmed, to think that the problem is too big for us to solve. But I stand before today to say change is possible. And we have the power to create better future. The future we need is one built on responsibility and innovation. We must reduce the reliance on single-use plastics by embracing sustainable alternatives. Companies must lead the way with eco-friendly design. Government must support policies for waste reduction, and each of us in our daily lives must commit to making small but powerful changes. We need solutions rooted in science and creativity, biodegradable materials, advanced recycling technologies, and policies that hold industries accountable. But most importantly, we need action. We need individuals to refuse to stand by, who choose to reuse and advocate for change. Imagine a world where our oceans are clear, our lands are clean, and our choices today lead to thriving tomorrow. To a thriving tomorrow. That future is within reach, and it begins with the decision we make right now. Together, we can ensure that plastic serve humanity without harming the planet. The time for change is now. Let's build a future where innovation and sustainability go hand in hand. Let's leave behind the world we are proud of. Thank you.